Hello investors, my name is Crypto Wave, bringing you another wave of booming tokens, and today I have a really interesting project to share with you guys. This is Marshall Inu, and if you guys haven't heard of this already, I think you definitely want to check it out. All of their website links, as always, will be in the description below for you guys to check it out for yourselves and follow along. But without further ado, let's get right into what makes this project special. So if you can't tell already, this is a passionate MMA fans community project. It is fighting for fighters, and they've done some really cool things lately, and they've actually hit a peak market cap of $200 million. So if you guys know anything about crypto market caps, you would know that that is a pretty large market cap, and they would have to be doing something right to be getting that sort of market cap. So let's dive deeper into this project. Before we go ahead and continue along, I just want to say that they do have an agreement with a welterweight champion, Kamaru Usman, as their brand ambassador, and they've had multiple shoutouts by well-known UFC fighters such as Colby Covington, George Masvidal, Alexander Volkanovski, Aljamain Sterling, Chael Sonnen, and much more. And I apologize if I'm pronouncing any of these names wrong. So let's take a look at, first of all, something really cool that I wanted to mention is that they actually are trading on both Uniswap and PancakeSwap. So we don't really see this much. And to fit the theme of them being on both the ERC20 chain and the BEP20 chain, they have their own bridge. So if you go ahead and press this button right here, and you can go ahead and connect your wallet, you can actually bridge in between ERC and BSC tokens, which is really unique and is honestly something that many people have a hard time trying to do. So this is just a super easy way of doing so, and that's integrated right in their website. They also have another D app that I will be showing soon, but first let's go over their website. So this is just a quick how to buy, and then over here you could actually buy with USD, which I find is pretty cool as well. If you press any of these buttons, it'll send you to a quick guide and how to actually do so with some videos and additional information. Let's go right back to their website. And then this is the how to buy, and over here you can actually read a few articles or watch some videos on how to buy the MRI token. So let's scroll down along and we could see the funding the action. So buying MRI has a tax that goes directly towards supporting the fighters, and we'll be taking a look at that very shortly. On top of that, they have something else to support the fighters, and it's called the Marshal of the Night. So marshals across the globe are here to fight for our favorite fighters worldwide. We love paying fighters that bit extra for putting their health on the line, and the community actually votes for this, and winners for this month Marshal of the Night will be announced soon. They also have a Fighters of the Month, and what Fighters of the Month is that it's basically a way of, sorry, not Fighters of the Month, Fight of the Night. So it's just basically like this, and it's for each major UFC event, and rewards the winners. The first place winner $40,000, the second place winner $20,000, and the third place winner $10,000, just giving them that extra bit of rewards just for putting their obviously their health on the line for us, for our entertainment, and for the sport, for the love of the sport, and just showing another awesome thing that Marshall Inu does for the fighters. So if we continue along, we can see something really impressive. They're currently available for trading on tons of different exchanges, on big name, brand name exchanges that are known worldwide. We have exchanges like Bitmark, Hotbit, Bitforex, Bitbox, P2B, B2B, BitTrue, MEXC, CoinStore, BKEX, AAX, Big One, DigiFinex, and more. So they have really got their names out there, guys. I'm really honestly really confident in the fact that this project has a strong foundation, especially for the fact that they are trading on a lot of places. They have been putting in work, they have been showing what they can do, and that's what we love to see when we're looking at a crypto project. As we scroll down along, we will find their goal. So the goal at Marshall Inu is to support fighters worldwide, no matter what stage they are at in their career. And if you're a fighter, guys, you can actually reach out to them and get supported yourselves. So that's something I find really cool. Getting to the top in the fight world is extremely hard, and it only makes it harder when they struggle financially to pay for things like comps, trainers, and general living expenses. That's where Marshall steps in. We are a project created by dedicated MMA fans to help fighters with that extra bit of income with no strings attached, so they can focus on what they do best, which is fighting. So far, we've donated over $4 million to more than 400 MMA fighters, and we are just getting started. Guys, if you're not impressed, I don't know what to tell you. This is really impressive, guys. They've donated over $4 million to over 400 MMA fighters. So this is sort of like similar to like a grant or something like that. You just get supported by Marshall Inu Project, and we'll talk about how exactly these funds are coming in. And honestly, I find this really really supportive, really beneficial towards the whole fighting community. And it's just something really special, guys, as well as the people who are MMA fighters and lovers can go ahead and invest in this, help their MMA fighters, and on top of that get rewarded for that with the token. And if the token goes up, obviously that's another way of getting rewarded with the token. Come and join our amazing community by checking out our socials and joining us on Telegram. If you guys want to check out their socials, just press this button right here on the top right of their website. Again, their website will be linked in the description below as always. And here they have a lot of different links, but this is their socials right here with their Twitter that has, I believe, around 25,000 followers, their Telegram, their Medium article, which has a lot of additional information, which we could take a quick overview at right now. And over here, we could see all of their information. And yes, they do have staking. I will be talking about that very shortly. But here is their staking guide if you want to do that. We will just be covering that really shortly. The liquidity pool staking guide, which is a different type of staking. And this is their marketing push for the next upcoming weeks. If you guys want to find out about that, how they're expanding, and just a lot more information and many more articles about the project. They also have a Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Reddit, and Facebook, and you guys can just go ahead and click any of these buttons and it'll redirect you directly to where you want to get redirected. Empowering athletes to fight for their dreams is the passion, guys. So they have athletes endorsements, event sponsorships, fund and show / win bonus money, donations for medical treatments. And guys, if you see this athletes endorsements right here and event sponsorships, so not only are they supporting the fighters, but the fighters will be supporting Marshall Inu, of course, and that will put Marshall Inu on the map, and that will give Marshall Inu a big name. Just another huge benefit. Shoutouts from MMA fighters across the globe, as I mentioned earlier, guys. MRI is promoting MRI visibility, just like empowering athletes to fight for their dreams is the passion. I really like the graphic that they have going on here. The MRI logo across the gyms, cages, and merchandise to again fully try to get this project as out there as possible. Attending podcasts and hosting regular Twitter spaces. Spending your MRI on real life goods with CryptoCart.cc. If you guys go ahead and go to CryptoCart.cc, you can actually buy some gift cards with the MRI tokens. And then over here, you can actually gamble on sports bets. So these are their tokenomics. So they have the marketing buy and sell as always, just because it is necessary to put the project out there on the map, that they have a marketing tax. So the buy marketing tax is 3%, which is a nice low tax, and then you get a little bit punished for selling the token, which is a 7% tax. But obviously, if your investment went up, then that won't really matter, and it will just continue supporting the marketing funding of this project. They have a liquidity tax, which is 3% for buying and 3% for selling, obviously to help stabilize the price floor and raise the price floor, and to prevent any whales from manipulating the token price. And then they have a development tax, which is 2% buying and 2% selling. The total supply is 1 billion. The maximum transaction you can make in one shot is 1%, and the maximum wallet holding that you can hold of this token is 2% to prevent some whales, and these are just anti-whale measures. So why Marshall Inu, guys? In the world of crypto, dog coins and meme coins are the gateway to the mainstream. You have Doge Coin, which has been a viral sensation for the last few years, with even the likes of Elon Musk supporting it. Then you have Shiba Inu, which in 2021 had the greatest single return on investment in history, doing over 1 million times in a single year. That's why we created Marshall, a lovable dog that is designed to help out fighters with an extra source of income. We're combining the world of MMA and meme coins to do something good in the world, whereas most other projects use the taxes for pointless marketing that makes the rich richer. We're gifting fighters who we believe deserve it more than anyone with what they put their bodies through for our entertainment. We are Marshall. We are fighting for fighters. If you appreciate us, don't forget to drop a hashtag. Thank you, Marshall. And it's just a cool picture that they have on their website. And then this is their MRI roadmap. So let's take a look at what they have in plan. They have already completed phase 1. As you can see, there are check marks next to everything. So they've done all of this. And phase 2, they've already completed many of this as well. As you can see, there are check marks next to all of this as well. So some of which are helping out fighters, continuing to help fighters out financially, sponsoring of MMA events, donating to fight-based charities, attending MMA events in person, partnering to allow MRI to have extra features, voting fight of the night on certain events as a community to give fighters bonuses. And then they have phase 3, which has already been completed as well. That's something really impressive. As I mentioned at the start, I really love to see a project actually push through and do what they say they're going to do. They have sponsored gyms. They have their CEX listings, which we've seen earlier. They partner with CryptoCart to make MRI spendable for online shopping. They have the T3 and Tier 2 CEX listings. They're appearing on many MMA YouTube channels, interviewing with fighters about MRI. start TikTok and Facebook pages, billboards across the USA, and hiring an expert for running ads. And then this is the last phase, which they have not completed yet. And here they're going to produce a mini documentary on their mission, venture more into the boxing world, get a tier 1 centralized exchange listings, maybe something like Binance, the launch of a merchandise store, and more to come soon. And then this is some frequently asked questions, and this is what you need to know. So guys, you could take a look at this and read this information for yourselves. Their socials are also on the bottom here as well. So if you guys really like this project, it honestly looks really cool. You guys can check it out in the description below. There will be the website. Now let's take a quick look at their staking, what the staking actually looks like. So this is what the staking looks like. If you go ahead and press the staking button right here, you can connect your wallet and you'll get sent to a page like this where you can actually stake your MRIs and liquidity pool stake as well and earn rewards on your MRI tokens. And then the APR, which is the annual percentage return rate, will be on the right side right here, where you could take a look at how much you're going to be making, and you could claim your rewards, and then you could restake your rewards and earn some compounding interest. The power of compounding interest is very, very powerful. If you don't know, I highly recommend to take a look at that. So guys, this was Marshall Inu. They do have a few more pages here. They do have a lot more to check out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because you do not want to miss out on the latest crypto content that I'm always posting. And guys, always remember, this is not financial research and this is not financial investment advice at all. I am not a financial advisor. I've just done my research and I'm just showing you guys a project that I find interesting on the web. And as always, guys, do your own research, make your own financial decisions, as of always, of course. And guys, my name was Crypto Wave. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you all at the moon.